Hello. This video is in response to a request that was made in one of the YouTube comments. I think it was beneath the last meditation that I posted, which would have been um, at least a week ago. And so somebody had said it would be really helpful to have a meditation on trust, trusting ourselves, and intuition. So that was the request. And so I would like now to offer a guided meditation for trusting yourself. So if you would like to um, get into a comfortable upright posture, and as usual, how I like to begin is putting one hand over the other over your heart chakra, the center of your chest. You can close your eyes if you feel comfortable and begin breathing in through your hands into your heart and breathing out of your heart through your hands. Feel some relaxation. Again, breathing in through your hands into your heart. Nice deep breath in, filling your lungs. And then as you breathe out, breathing out of your heart. And again, breathing into your heart. Feel yourself beginning to calm and relax. Breathing out of your heart as you are coming into connection with yourself, which is an amazing feeling, being connected with your heart, connected with yourself. And continuing to breathe in and out of your heart, inviting you to feel the soles of your feet on the floor. Feel the loving connection to Mother Earth through your feet. If you'd like, you can even imagine roots growing down through your feet, down through the base of your spine. Beautiful roots reaching down through, however many levels of floorboards, all the way down through the foundation of the building. These energetic roots reaching down into Mother Earth and going down, down, down through the earth, all the way to the crystalline core of Mother Earth. And allow your beautiful energetic roots to wrap lovingly around the crystalline core of Mother Earth. So you're still breathing in and out of your heart, and you are feeling nicely grounded and held and loved in this loving connection with Mother Earth. And enjoying these nice, deep, oxygenated breaths into your chest, into your lungs, as your whole being is fed oxygen. And with each breath out, letting go of any kinds of feelings of hassles and concerns, letting them just go, letting them fall out of you. And just feel how you're creating this pure space around you and for you. And you could even sense that there is an energetic bubble around you as you're creating this space. The energy of you, this bubble of energy around you, that it's like a skin. It's a skin that allows good stuff in and does not allow other things in. Keeps them out. It creates this energetic barrier that only allows the things that are helpful in. And anything that is about harshness or manipulation or anything like that just bounces off your bubble. This energy of you bubble. So continue enjoying that feeling of breathing into your heart. And if you want, I find myself, I'm even just pressing my hands in a nice sort of massaging, circling pattern around the center of my chest. feels comforting. It also feels like I'm connecting with myself. It feels really nice to be just circular massaging around the center of my chest, connecting with my heart. And also notice your posture. Are you sitting upright? Do you have the dignity posture of the warrior? Are you connecting with your dignity through your posture? Still continuing to breathe in and out of your heart. You're really settling into being you. You're creating the space for being you. And so this is the ideal space in which you can trust yourself, because you're not being interfered with by outside energies. You've got your bubble of you all around you, the energy of you. You are enjoying your own vibration within your bubble. And it's in here that you're able to hear your voices within. The small voices, the voices of your inner children, the voice of your wise elder, the voice of your higher self, the voices of your wisdom guides. You can hear this within this bubble. And you are grounded with Mother Earth. You've created a very trustworthy situation here so that you can trust yourself. You can allow yourself to hear those voices, those good, wise voices within, the voice of your inner children, the voice of your wise elder, of your highest self, of your wisdom guides. You can hear the voices. And because there's none of this interference of the racketeers outside your bubble, you can just be present and you can listen, you can hear. You can assess, you can weigh what you're hearing from these voices. You can breathe with them because, it's one thing to hear something, you also need a chance to integrate it. So breathing is one way of taking things in and integrating. When you breathe in, you're breathing air in, and your lungs are taking the oxygen out of the air. And as you exhale, you are exhaling the carbon dioxide, which your body doesn't need. Like, you also need to have this chance to process what you've heard and to see, what is to keep, what is to expel. So by creating the space for you to be able to hear these important voices and to have the space to digest them and decide, what is important at this time? What is important for me to expel? Like, you need that space to do that. And that is what creates this place of trusting yourself. You're not being pushed off kilter by somebody. You're having your opportunity to connect with yourself, your wisdom. It's a very trustworthy situation. So you can trust yourself, and you learn to trust yourself. You're building a relationship of trusting yourself. And this notion of trusting your intuition, you need to have the clear space to be able to hear your intuition. And another story from Women Who Run with the Wolves is about intuition. And the key to strengthening your intuition is to feed your intuition, which means you listen to it and you act on it. When you act on it, it feeds your intuition. It feeds it, and your intuition gets stronger. And by choosing to continue acting on it and also creating that space so that you're able to hear your intuition and then acting on it, it creates this cycle of feeding your intuition, and your intuition grows stronger and stronger. your relationship with your intuition grows stronger and stronger. So this is how I would suggest you can learn to trust yourself and to trust your intuition. And so we will bring this meditation to a beautiful close by thanking all those wise voices that came to touch you during this experience, for thanking your intuition for showing up, being present, and hearing that, there's now a new sense of commitment to listening and acting upon your intuition. So thank you for showing up, my beautiful intuition. And take one more nice deep breath into your chest, into your heart. And as you breathe it out, inviting you to open your eyes in your own time, come back into presence, into this space together. And yeah, I don't know if you want to do a little like celebration. This was a really awesome process. And I really hope that you will find it helpful for building that relationship of trust with yourself and with your intuition. Okay, bye-bye for now, everybody.